We look forward to unveiling Optimus V3, probably in Q1. I think it'll be ready to show off. That I think is going to be quite remarkable. It won't even seem like a robot. It'll seem like a person in a robot suit, which is kind of how we started off with Optimus. But it'll seem so real that you'll need to poke it, I think, to believe that it's actually a robot.
Sounds great, but it's clear that the world still doesn't fully trust the idea of humanoid robots. More accurately, most people simply don't believe anything could surpass human dexterity, let alone those clunky machines that walk around like they're wearing diapers. Okay, to be honest, nothing else in the world is smarter than humans. Nothing can truly replace us, much less dominate us. Yet Elon Musk continues to pour billions of dollars into this project because he believes Tesla can build a robot with a brain, arms, and legs that truly resemble those of a human being. All right, at this point, the Terminator scenario probably pops right into your mind, right? But what if we had a humanoid robot that could actually help us? A robot like a personal assistant that serves beer, makes your morning sandwich, and cleans the entire house. We'd all love to have a companion like that. And that's exactly what we'll start seeing next year with the Tesla Bot Gen 3, Elon Musk's newest generation humanoid robot. If you're sick and tired of boring, repetitive household chores, the Tesla Bot Gen 3 is something you'll want to buy next year. It's set to be the world's first robot capable of cooking, cleaning, and even opening your fridge to grab you a beer. As Elon Musk has emphasized several times that Optimus could help teach children, clean your house, mow the lawn, walk the dog, babysit, and also enable the production of goods and services. Above all, Elon Musk has openly acknowledged that AI and robots will replace all jobs. Working will be optional, like growing your own vegetables instead of buying them from the store. Optimus will ultimately be better than the best human surgeon with a level of precision that isn't possible. That is beyond human. So, how would the Tesla Bot Gen 3 actually function in a surgical room? And can we really trust a machine to make critical decisions in emergencies during surgery, like controlling bleeding or handling unexpected complications? While the excitement around Tesla Bot Gen 2 hasn't died down yet, Elon Musk has confirmed that Optimus Gen 3 will debut in the first quarter next year. This version will be capable of doing everything from cooking and cleaning to taking care of people. Yeah, according to Musk, it will be so human-like that we'll have a hard time telling the difference. And it will be able to perform around 3,000 useful tasks at a price of $30,000. Even before Optimus Gen 3 is released, Elon Musk has shocked everyone by announcing that Tesla will mass-produce Optimus Gen 4 and Gen 5. This means that Optimus Gen 3 won't be the final version of the Tesla bot. And if the Gen 3 model can perform 3,000 useful tasks, that implies Optimus Gen 5 could double that number to around 6,000 tasks, with accuracy potentially matching that of a human. It won't just be limited to simple chores like cooking and cleaning. It will also be integrated into various environments, one of which is hospitals. According to Elon Musk, Optimus Gen 5 could even perform surgeries with extremely high precision. According to speculation, this could be the most advanced and expensive version of the Tesla bot. We wouldn't be surprised if it's priced around $80,000. The logic is simple. If it can handle 70 out of the 100 tasks a human can do, it could actually generate income for its owner. In that sense, it would pay for itself, and the payback period could be quite short. Tesla aims to produce around 10 million units of the upcoming Gen 4 model, and as many as 100 million for Gen 5. Most people understandably find that hard to believe, and honestly, so do we. Still, if Optimus 3 delivers on even half of what's been teased, we're about to witness one of the most extraordinary leaps in robotics yet. Optimus probably achieves 5 times the productivity of a person per year because it can operate 24 hours per 7 days. It doesn't even need to charge. It can operate tethered, so it's plugged in the whole time. However, it seems Tesla may be running a bit behind on Optimus 3. The robot was originally expected to make its big debut at the company's major November event, but that's now been pushed to the first quarter of next year. The delay likely comes down to one key challenge: the hands. During the meeting, Musk openly acknowledged the hurdles his team is facing. He called bringing Optimus to market an extremely difficult task, and even admitted that the robot's hands and forearms are proving to be a tougher engineering problem than the rest of the entire machine combined, as we've mentioned before. And as Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized, the hands are by far the most complex and expensive part of Optimus. If each unit costs around $50,000, Musk estimates that the hand technology alone could account for half or even 60% of that total. To make Optimus 3's hands move and function like a human's, Tesla needs to replicate the intricate anatomy of 4 fingers and a thumb, each with multiple joints, different lengths, and a muscle-like system built into the forearm. Building a robotic hand that can gently hold an egg, thread a needle, or lift a dumbbell isn't just difficult. It's one of the toughest mechanical challenges in robotics. It demands compact actuators that are both powerful and incredibly precise. Beyond the hands, another major challenge lies in mass production. During the earnings call, Musk revealed Tesla's ambitious goal to eventually build 1 million Optimus robots per year. Then he highlighted a sobering truth: there is no supply chain for humanoid robots. Okay, you know that means Tesla must create nearly every key component in-house, from actuators to control systems, pushing vertical integration to unprecedented levels. It's a massive undertaking, one that only a company with Tesla's scale and manufacturing expertise could realistically attempt. How will Tesla Bot Gen 3 convince people to accept AI by doing household chores? Right now, Tesla's focus remains on something far more practical: household chores. This stage of development might seem modest compared to the robot's long-term ambitions in factories or even Mars colonies, but it's a crucial first step. Elon Musk understands that for the public to truly accept humanoid robots, Optimus must first prove itself useful in daily life. A robot that can tidy the living room, fold laundry, or prepare a simple meal will have a much easier time earning the trust and curiosity of customers than one performing complex industrial tasks that feel distant from everyday reality. For decades, when people imagined robots and artificial intelligence, the images came straight out of science fiction. Gleaming androids from movies like Robot walking, talking, and serving breakfast in futuristic kitchens. But in the real world,